did 40 breaths like this. And then we held our breath. And then we surrender to this beautiful meditation story tonight that I will post on Facebook right now. It's a beautiful meditation. It was so divine. And I don't mean it because it came from me. It came from spirit. There was this spirit that was so vast and alive in my room tonight. And I just wanted to share with the world, the artists out there tonight, that you're not alone and that you're so connected to all of you, all of everyone, all things. That we have to stay connected through these times. This is the hardest time that we've ever had, one after the other. And the only way through, is to have a vision that this is not your pain, that there's a spiral of pain, that as we go through this meditation, I'm bringing you into a state where you can let go. Finished it for a platform. I just randomly went into my heart and I just spoke what I felt like was good for the moment. So I'm looking forward for you guys to experience that. I love you. I'm thankful for you. I'm so gracious to have all of you. You guys mean so much to me. It feels so good to love others and not just think about self all day long. When you can serve, you can pick up the phone, you could put your Facebook live. It's not about what you look like, it's not what you're wearing, it's about feeling good, about being you, and always being you. Always be you. Always be you. Tune into this experience I'm going to post in 5 minutes. And just play it when you're not around, like the kids or the family. Stay really, close the lights off. Go into this deep meditation of letting go of pain spiral. I just had an experience myself from the experience. It's awesome. I know it's late. I felt energized to share all of this meditation and breath work tonight. I will tune in a few minutes to share everything.